Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm doing an update on Blockfi, and after that, before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, on every video I'm going to talk about pruvit. So basically what is pruvit and what is ketones. So on this website itself, it's linked down below, just click on it, and after that it is a challenge. Therefore you get the world largest keto challenge, and after that you can tap on the video to learn what can keto do for you. And if you are really interested in improving your health and stuff like this, you are able to just sign up over here, and after that, yeah, good luck, and of course wish you a good health. And after that, let's talk about Blockfi. So basically on this video I'm going to talk about the Blockfi interest rates that they give, and after that what can you do with it, and of course how can you achieve the $10 free bonus. And of course, yeah, basically you guys are much more interested in the $10 bonus, therefore I'm gonna tell you how can you get this $10 bonus right now. So basically over here, if you are interested in signing up, just use my referral link down below. You have to use my link in order to gain the free $10. Therefore, just click on my link, and from there you're able to register an account, and from there just deposit up to $100 worth of cryptocurrency into your Blockfi interest account, and after that you will be entitled $10 free after holding of 30 days. Therefore, what does that mean? So over here it is the terms and condition, and after that for the first 5 referrer, basically blah blah blah, it's talking about if you refer people, therefore you are able to earn as well. If you have friends in crypto that is interested in cryptocurrency, and let's say they are doing dollar cost average, what I always tell my friends that who are interested in cryptocurrency, I will tell them if you want to do dollar cost average, buying for let's say for a year or two, basically dollar cost average strategy is I would say around 1 or 2 years, which are effective. Therefore you can just basically buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every month, and from there just send the cryptocurrency over to Blockfi, if not Celsius network. But I'm going to talk about Blockfi now. So basically Blockfi, from all the interest rate that I'm seeing, and which is flexible, which you can take out anytime, basically Blockfi is offering a higher percentage of 6% per annum. Therefore I highly recommend, if you want to, let's say, deposit your cryptocurrency over here, and you never know when Bitcoin is going to strike to maybe 14, 15 or even 20,000 all-time high all over again, you are able to withdraw it. So basically the withdrawal is going to take a day, and I'm going to explain to you. So over here, so I tried withdrawal request, and after that for the first time that it is going to be a free withdrawal fee per month. So basically if you submitted a withdrawal over here, it's going to process on the next day at a certain timing due to security reason. Therefore, this is one of the cons, I would say, of withdrawing from Blockfi, which will take time. And after that, the 6% per annum for cryptocurrency, for Bitcoin, I would say it's much more higher than all the other provider out there. Therefore, over here, if you have friends, you can refer them, and for the first 5 friends of referral, you will gain $10, and after 5, you are gonna receive like $20 in bonus. But right now they have a promotion going on, which is $50 in referral bonus, which is not over here. But basically just now there's a pop-up showing me that I'm able to earn $50 from referral if you basically deposit 100 or above. So this is a way of supporting the channel. So let's talk about the interest rate that have been paid. So over here you can see over here you can see a referral bonus of around 0.0015, which is, I would say at the time, which is $10. And after that, over here the interest payment that have been done to me, which is 0.012 plus the referral blah blah blah. Therefore it has increased the amount. And after that, over here you can see on the 1st of July, the interest that were paid to me was 0.16. And after that, basically I earned quite a lot over here for 1 month of holding, around a month of holding, around blah blah blah, able to gain this amount. And after that, over here it is going to show you the US dollar value. Therefore you can see of holding this. So when I started it, I started on the May of 23rd, and you can see it's only like how many months, around 2 months plus, going not even 3 months, I already earned $200 off this $45,000 worth of cryptocurrency holding. So basically it's 4.038 Bitcoin. And after that, you can see the next payment that is coming to me is 0.0199, almost 0.02. Therefore, you can see it's estimated around 225 I mean. And after that, for Ethereum, 40 Ethereum, it has already gained me 0.1 Ethereum. And after that, this month of holding, so over here you can see deposited, and after that, a month of holding, it is going to give me 0.15 worth of Ethereum. And after that, all this accrued interest is going to be paid to you at the first day of the month, and from there it is going to compound your holding, and after that it show you much more acute interest. And after that, I would say this is one of the benefit of Blockfi as well. They compound the interest for you. And after that, basically one of the strategy that I've done, I'm going to show it to you. Give me a moment. Yep, so basically over here on Blockfi itself, just head over to your profile, click on profile setting and click on interest. Over here, Blockfi has offered this option. So basically offer clients flexibility to have their interest paid in the same currency deposited default. So basically if you deposit Bitcoin, you will get paid in Bitcoin if you enable this option. And let's say you have Ethereum deposit and you want to gain in Ethereum as well, just leave this option as the same currency you deposited. And after that, basically let's say you have lots of I would say stablecoin. Let's say you have lots of stablecoin and it's giving 8.6% on Blockfi, and you want your monthly payouts to be in Bitcoin. You're able to do it. Just click on the Bitcoin option, and every interest that have been accrued from all your holdings, let's say you have Ethereum, GUSD, Litecoin, PAX, and USDC, and just that you do not have Bitcoin and you want to accumulate Bitcoin, this is one of the options. I would say would be much more efficient for you if you want to, let's say, hold some stable coin or some other coins that you do not have and you do not want to sell your coins. Therefore, this is one of the way for you to gain as well. So basically, the currency is going to be paid of a choice. So basically, from this interest preference, what I believe that what they're going to do is, if you choose, let's say, USDC, I'm going to show you an example. So basically over here, you can see the accrued interest. It is $276. And after that, if I open it up, it is going to show me the accrued interest in Bitcoin is 0.0 around 2, and it's going to show me this amount. And of course, combined with my Ethereum holdings, it is a total of 276. And after that, over here you can see Ethereum is paying off $52. And after that, what I suspect that what they're gonna do is basically, let's say if I over here accrued interest shown and estimate based on the month to date activity, actual interest may varies based on flex preference activity in the account. So basically what does this mean is, over on the option itself, if you choose an option to choose the flex preference, let's say if you do not want to get paid in the original coin that you deposited, you want, let's say, USDC. For me, I'm choosing USDC because I want to accumulate some stable coin, and from there, trade with it, and of course something else with it as well. So basically accrued base interest. So basically the amount over here in USD is going to be converted automatically to USDC depending on the price and rate of Bitcoin towards USDC, and after that for Ethereum towards USDC. So this is what I meant by the flex option. And after that, you can see interest accrued may reset prior to the actual payment on the first business day of the month. So basically, on the 1st of August, which is a Saturday, which is not a working day, therefore I'm going to get my interest paid on the 3rd of August. That's what I believe that they're trying to tell me. So basically, every 1st of the month, it is going to pay you the interest rate, but on a business day, therefore it's going to be Monday, I suspect, and hopefully. And after that, basically over here, you can see 50,000, around 60,000 worth, around $59,383.11 worth of account. It has already paid me. If you add this up together, it's around $500 worth of cryptocurrency that has been paying, and you can think about it, compare it with the bank and stuff like this. Yeah, basically BlockFi is giving out much more interest, depending on your currency as well. But let me show you. So for Ethereum, it is giving 4.5 only, and after that for Bitcoin is 6. Therefore, the holdings on my Bitcoin is much more. So let's say if you have lots of stable coin, let's say you are living in the United States or something like this. This is not a financial advice, of course, but the thing that I would think is more logical to do, because USDC pegs and GUSD is pegged to 1 USD. So basically 1 USD equals 1 USD, 1 GUSD pegs and USDC. So it is a 1-to-1 exchange. Basically it's the way it's designed, and therefore I would say if you have a US account that is paying, let's say 0.1% per annum, basically I would suggest is just convert all your, not all, but maybe 70% of your savings towards a stable coin, and from there just deposit it into BlockFi, and it's going to give you 8.6% per annum. So basically you can let your money sit there, and basically you do not need to touch the funds for many months until something emergency happen. So let's say if something emergency happen, what can you do is just sign up an account on Gemini, and after that just convert USD to GUSD, and if you need to withdraw your money, just convert GUSD towards USD. That's the logical option, and after that withdraw it from Gemini. And basically you understand what I'm saying, the rates that they're giving, and comparing with the bank, basically BlockFi is providing much more. And after that, as you can see, the whole COVID period and stuff like this, people are losing job, and after that people are looking ways to earn passive income, grow their wealth and stuff like this. And of course, growing your wealth, everybody wants to do it, and after that this is a much more logical way that I could think of, and I would say not really that safe. Maybe the risk I would say is on medium, because it is associated with crypto, and after that the bank is very stable, and the risk, I would say the risk level is safe. Therefore, comparing with BlockFi, so why BlockFi is the holdings on BlockFi is on Gemini, therefore we have to put our faith and trust in Gemini. And after that, you can see Gemini is a big company, established enough, and after that it's a well-known and reputable company. Therefore, I would say their security wise, I would say it's quite good. It's not because I would say on the internet, all security that is provided, there is always flaws. It's just that we just need to wait for that one person or one group to manage to bypass it, and basically that on their intention, what they're gonna do with it and stuff like this. But I would assume that the security of Gemini is quite, I would say, quite secure, because whatever you are holding on to BlockFi, it is being held on Gemini, because Gemini is a custodian, and from there, it's a logical way for you to invest your money onto cryptocurrency. If let's say you have let's say you have 10k worth of USD, you want to convert it into Bitcoin, but you do not want to sell off your USD, this is one of the way I could think of, is basically just converting USD into GUSD, and after that on the option itself, just click on you want to get paid in Bitcoin, and this way I would say you are earning your monthly interest on your bank. So this is an option that the bank does not provide. It's basically using the interest to be paid in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin. This is one of the way that I can think of, which is mind-blowing, I would say. And after that, basically that's the end of the video. And if you like the video and stuff like this, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, don't forget to check out Pruvit. So basically it's a challenge from me to you. Just click on it, and after that understand what is it all about, and you can consider it. And of course, if you want to support the channel, kindly head over to the description button, and of course the description section, just find out all my links, and after that all the product that I've been using, there's always a referral link. Just click on it. It's a way of supporting the channel as well. So see you on the next video. Peace.